Neon accent strip lights. The neon accent strip lights by Nilight are a remarkable addition to any space, offering vibrant RGBIC underglow lighting. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that these lights are an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance the ambiance of their environment. The strip form factor of the neon accent strip lights allows for easy installation and versatility in placement. Whether you want to showcase your car's interior, highlight architectural features in your home, or add a touch of color to your office space, these lights are up to the task. The product includes 4 LED light strips, a remote controller, a control box, as well as all the necessary mounting hardware such as screws, clips, and zip ties. In addition, double-sided tape is also provided for those who prefer a more adhesive installation. The comprehensive instruction manual ensures that even those with minimal technical expert